Let's do a little taste test. Good morning, you guys. So I have officially lost 40 pounds, which is just insane. My journey is definitely not done yet. I'm super excited to just continue. I still have another 20 to 30 pounds to lose, so I'm excited to just see my transformation and my journey come together and share it with you guys. So for anyone who's new here, I am on a calorie deficit. I eat about 1,500 calories, which is just specialized for me based on my height, my activity level. I am short. I'm 5'1", little 5'1" shorty. I work out about once or twice a week. I do walk a lot. Like, your girl gets 10,000 steps every single day. Not sponsored at all, but if you want to know what calories is good for you, I love using the Yazio app because I find it's very accurate. A lot of other calorie counting apps, they will give you a super low number. Like, I swear they give 1,200 calories to everyone, and I'm just like, what are you doing? The Yazio app is actually super accurate, and they give you a very realistic, sustainable calorie deficit to stick to. Again, completely not sponsored, but I'll leave my link down below for you guys to download. Yazio is free, but I also have a discount to the pro version if you guys are interested. It's already 10:14 and your girl is starving. Let's get into it. Okay, so for breakfast, I have lately just been having like a classic bacon and eggs. I'm not even gonna front with y'all. Like, I was like, should I do something fun for this video and share like a fun breakfast? And then I'm just like, but what's the real truth though? Silver Hills has the best breads. Not only they're super healthy, almost none of their breads have seed oils in it. So I absolutely love that there's no seed oils in here. They're full of protein and fiber. I've been having this one right now, which is a new one for me, but I really like it. It's kind of like has the sesame seeds. But if you're looking for a super low calorie bread, Silver Hills has this one, which has been the one that I've been eating lately, but I'm running low. Their little big bread, it's literally 55 calories for one slice of bread. So if you're looking for a low calorie bread, this is it right here. This is the rest of Kylo's breakfast that he didn't finish, so ignore that. Okay, so I've switched over to stainless steel pans just because of how toxic the coated pans can be. So with the stainless steel pans, the key to getting them non-stick is to make sure they're properly preheated, which means preheating them on medium for like a good 8 minutes-ish. Okay, so I have been using my stainless steel air fryer as a toaster as well. I do have it linked on my Amazon favorites, so you guys can check that out. It's under kitchen. If you're trying to lose weight, this spray bottle is literally everything. It's gonna save you so many calories because when you dump oil from a bottle, just too much comes out. And you can see it right there, evenly coated and literally only like 5 calories. Okay, I completely forgot to hit record, but I put my egg on and now I'm just gonna put some black pepper, salt, some grass-fed butter. Grab 2 of these. And this is my breakfast. So yummy, I'm starving. Okay, so I literally just finished filming a bunch of shorts, took off my makeup, and I'm getting super hungry. Kylo's also hungry for lunch, so I'm gonna make us a smoothie. I'm gonna add almond butter to his smoothie, but I'm not gonna add it to mine because I want to make his, you know, higher calorie, more filling. I have my Ninja right here. I wish this banana was more ripe, but it's fine. So banana. I'm gonna add in the rest of this apple. And I have this, like, I think it's called golden kiwi, sun golden kiwi, something like that, but it's a kiwi. I'm gonna add in some yogurt. I love this one. Hi baby, I love this one. It's organic and grass-fed. I'm just basically going to do a big scoop of that. And I'll probably add some chia seeds for some healthy fats. You'll notice that I really don't eat much for like lunch. This is more like a snack just because I prefer having a really large dinner, so I like to save up my calories for that. This is grass-fed cow's milk. I'm taking it from Kylo's bottle tonight. I'm just gonna place an Instacart order to get him some more milk. Let's do a little taste test. Okay, that's actually good. I was a little bit worried because I didn't really have, like, I usually like banana and strawberry or banana and mango, and this is like a very random combination, but this is good. I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna get a head start on dinner. I have my food already prepped in the fridge, which is a huge tip of mine, especially just staying on track with my deficit, like having my meals planned. But I need some rice. It's actually good because you guys always ask me how I make my rice. Today I'm doing long grain white rice. I'm gonna do 1.5 cups. and 2 cups water. I usually use veggie broth, but I don't have any. So anytime I don't have veggie broth, I always add a bouillon cube. This is how you get your rice tasting good right here. Either this or broth. It's gonna add so much flavor, but then you still add a lot of seasoning on top of that, and it's gonna be fire. Just crumple this up. Oil, minced garlic, a little bit more onion powder. I think today I really want yellow rice, so I'm gonna add just a touch of turmeric. I really don't like too much, but just like a little touch. And some black pepper. I don't know, I kind of want orange rice now, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of paprika. And salt, of course. I love this Instant Pot for making my rice. I literally just turn it, lock it, and press rice, and it's good to go. So now I'm prepping some, it's basically guac, not really. It's actually my sister's recipe. She calls it just like an avocado salsa. It doesn't have the tomatoes and onions that guac does. So it's just avocados, lime juice, and some cilantro, and then black pepper and salt. And that's it. Literally so easy to throw together, and Kylo actually likes this too. So he'll have some of this for dinner too. I just made this amazing shrimp for Kylo for dinner, and I wish I kind of shared you guys me cooking it, but I didn't because I wasn't expecting that I would eat it. But I just did a little taste test, and it tastes so good. So I literally just snacked on a few of these, and then I asked my Alexa how many calories it is. And they're surprisingly so low calorie, but like really high protein. So I literally just snacked on a few of these. I literally just did butter, garlic with herbs, salt, black pepper. And then at the very end, I just sprinkled some fresh cilantro on top. It is dinner time, and I have my food prep that I made yesterday. And then the rice that I made today. And I'm also gonna top it off with some sour cream. This is actually the plain yogurt that I showed you guys earlier that I put in the smoothie, and I just added lime to it. I ran out of sour cream, so just using what I have. This chicken I made yesterday in the oven, and it turned out so good. I'm gonna leave the seasoning on the screen. It literally turned out fire. So I have a cucumber and olive salad that I prepped. And just a little drizzle. And there you have it. I told y'all I like big portions for dinner. So here it is. I'm so excited to dig in, and I'm gonna watch the new episode of Love Island. Here's a little close-up. Look how good that looks. And lastly, to end off the night, I'm gonna have a little bit of dessert. I absolutely love this one, the Camino organic milk chocolate. It's so good. It's so creamy, you guys. There's actually ground hazelnuts in it. You don't taste it. There's no texture. It just adds this creaminess. It's so good. And I usually just have 2 rows, and yeah, that pretty much ends off everything that I eat in the day.